Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I got my Boxycharm here for the month of June 2018. So if you want to see what I got, make sure you stay tuned. But first, you guys know what I'm going to say. I'm going to say subscribe. I'm going to say there's a button there. I'm going to say you need to press it. So just save us both the trouble and press subscribe. All right, here's a little sneak peek at the box. Okay, let's get into it. Let's get into it. Oh, I want to try this lipstick first because the orange, I mean, it's giving me summer vibes, but it's a little much. Even for me. I think it's a little much. This is Ofra. Is this matte? We're going to find out. Long-lasting lipstick. That usually means matte. And this is in the color Verona. And this is from Ofra. Brand new. Here's the applicator here. Let's swatch it. Okay. It's like a nude kind of color. Like, it reminds me of Fortune Cookie from NYX, the butter gloss. So let's see. Let's check it out. So this is a nude I can get with. It's a little dark, but yeah, I could wear this for the rest of the video. I could stick with this. All right, Ofra. Okay, Ofra. I have a couple shades from Ofra, but I don't like them because they're like that raspberry, and anyone who knows me knows I don't like that. So next thing we got was these Battington lashes, and they're the Monroe 3D Silk Lashes. I'm living for the packaging of these. The lashes, they look a little natural for my taste, but I mean, you don't always need to slay for the gods. You can have a natural looking lash, but me, if I'm gonna put lashes on, if I'm gonna take a risk messing around with lash glue before I go out, yeah, I need them to be theatrical. Oh, it says if all else fails, bat your lashes. Okay. Alright, these are cute. I like these. I like these. Okay, Boxycharm. But Boxycharm is always good, like, honestly. So the next thing I got is the Sol de Janeiro. And I always see this Brazilian Bum Bum cream. And I always was like, what is that? So let's find out what it is. It says it's cream pour le corpse à l'extract de guarana. Okay, so I think that's a fancy word for lotion. Let's smell it. So we're gonna take the thing off here. Ooh. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my god. It smells like vacation in a bottle. Yes. And I love lotion. Like, I really live for lotion. I live for lotion. It literally smells like vacation in a bottle. Oh my god. So I don't know why it's called Bum Bum cream. Is it for your butt? Like, I don't know. But yeah, it looks like I'm just gonna use it as lotion. Oh, actually I have my little insert here. Let's see what Boxycharm has to say it's for. Bum Bum cream. Okay, Brazilian Bum Bum cream is inspired by the Brazilian favorite feature, the Bum Bum. It's creamy rich in guarana, a native Amazonian plant whose fruit contains one of the most potent forms of caffeine. The fast-absorbing texture contains just enough mica to add a perfect Brazilian glow, as the formula helps your body to look and feel its smoothest and tightest. Pistachio caramel leaves skin delicately fragranced. So I guess it's a bronzer / lotion. Okay, cool. I'll try it. Next thing we got, I was just like, I live and breathe for luxie brushes. So yeah, we need to open these. And this is a 3-pack. Now, I'm more into eyeshadow brushes versus face brushes, but I'll get over it. Because I feel like face brushes, I mean, there's only so many you need. But eyeshadow brushes, like, come on. You can never have enough crease brushes. Oh, I love stiffle brushes. Oh my god. For under your eye with the concealer. Yes. What is this? Duo fiber powder. Oh, this is for powder. I would use it for cream. And this is Precision Foundation. And this is really, it got all jacked up. It'll get fluffy. Tapered highlight. I have so many highlighting brushes. So this is a 3-pack. So yes, I'm loving this. Yes. And they're so soft. I love luxie brushes. Love, 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 love. Next thing I got was this eyeliner in the color Charcoal from Jeanté Bleu. Jeanté Bleu. My one sister tries to steal all my cream eyeshadows. What? This isn't even that dark. Oh, God. Let me do it like this. Okay, this isn't that dark. So, let's try it. Let's try it. I don't have any eyeliner on today. Shocker, right? Okay, yeah, you're gonna have to like light this on fire or something to get the color to come out. Does anyone like their eyeshadow on fire still? Eyeliners on fire still? I think that's like the old school trick. But yeah, this is not working too well. I mean, I was pressing really hard and that's all I got. Why can't they just send us black? Just send black, okay? Don't get creative. Don't send charcoal. Don't send brown. Just send black, okay? Anyway. Okay, so next thing I got was this Alamar Cosmetics palette here. And everyone's raving about this on Instagram. So yeah, let's check it out. I'm going to do some swatches. I haven't swatched stuff in forever because I've been saving all these palettes to give away, but this one I think I'll keep. I gave away a bunch of palettes. So yeah, I'm gonna keep a couple palettes and get my weight up on my palettes again. Palette game strong. So yeah, so let's get into this. You know I want to swatch these shimmers, so we'll save those for last. Save the best for last. So let's get into it. So we have this. I know this isn't Guantanamera. Oh my god, I do not speak Spanish. People swear I speak Spanish, but oh wow, it's really pigmented. I really do not, so I'm hoping I'm saying that right. It looks really pigmented. The next one is Cafecito. This one looks like it's, I don't know, has it already been swatched or something? I don't know. Cafecito. Wow, looks really pigmented. Next one is Coco Taxi. This looks right up my alley. Love this for like an all-over lid color. My air conditioner is making my lights flicker, by the way. Next one is Tropico. Looks nice. Looks very pretty. I love the like Espanol thing. That's super pigmented. Wow. This is reminding me kind of Juvia's Place. Next, I have Vradarero. Oh, this looks pressed pretty softly, so I'm gonna be careful with this. There you go. Oh, ding, 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 ding. We have pigment, y'all. It's very nice. This one is Celia, and it's a green. I live for green. We love green. Over on GLITZGLAMFIX, we love green. Look at that. Pigmented. This reminds me of the Juvia's Place shadows. They really do. They're very pigmented. Next one is La Costa. So here we go. And very pretty. And last one is the one I've been waiting for, El Malecon. And let's see, because we know I live for gold, especially yellow gold. Look at this. Come on, don't fail me now. I'm alive. Okay, this needs to go on my lid. Okay, it needs to go on my lid. Now. I'm gonna put this El Malecon on. El Malecon. Am I saying it right? Anyone who speaks Spanish, let me know, am I saying it right? El Malecon. Okay. Come on, baby. Don't fail me now. Ding, ding, ding. We have a winner. Okay. I love it. If only for this color, I love it. I mean, the blues are nice too, but like this is giving me such life. Come on. Come on, Alamar. Come on. All right. Boxycharm gives out good palettes. Yeah, I'm living for this. I am living for this, y'all. Living. You know I have to. You know I have to put a little highlight. You know I have to. Put it as highlight too. Come on, y'all. Come on. This did something to me. I love it. Wow. I knew I was gonna like that color. I knew it. I know myself. I know myself. I mean, this one's nice too, but yeah. So here are the swatches. The mattes are cute. They're a little warm tone for me, but I mean, it's cool. So like, this is like a cool little palette to have in your collection. Yeah, and it's made in the US, cruelty free. I like it. I like it a lot. All right. So yeah, so that was the Boxycharm for the month of June 2018. Leave a comment down below. What'd you get in your box? Stay tuned. Subscribe. Watch my other videos. Until the next one. Bye.